This is iGate Wi-Fi, the new IP gate switch. It's available in two different forms, a DIN rail version for existing gate operator enclosures that have the room and protection from water ingress and outside elements. For those installations that want an extra layer of protection, it is also available in a standard iGate enclosure. For demonstration, we'll be using this iGate Wi-Fi wired to a demo gate here. Please excuse the temporary wiring job, but we have a simple wiring setup for power and control. To ensure you get maximum range, you should connect an external Wi-Fi antenna. It's important to keep the antenna high and use a length of no more than 2 meters from the iGate unit. Here in the DIN rail version, we have power. It takes 8 to 36 AC/DC. Then we have normally closed, normally open, and common. And on the self-enclosure model, we have the power here, then normally closed, normally open, and common here. And on the top, we have the antenna port and the pair button. Once you have everything wired, you can then start programming via the iGate app on your phone. You can download the iGate Wi-Fi app via the Play Store on Android devices and App Store on Apple devices. You need to open the app and create an account. You will then be sent an email to activate your account. With this done, there's two methods to connect your iGate Wi-Fi to the phone app. Under Smart Config button here, we have a drop-down menu, which we need to enter the product serial number, which can be found on the unit here. Once this is entered, it will create a hotspot you will need to connect to with your phone. You should then get a prompt to open a web page like you do when you're connecting to public Wi-Fi at the shopping center. That page will ask you to enter the details of the network you want to connect to, and then it will be connected and ready to go. The other method is simpler with less steps. Firstly, make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as you want your iGate to be connected to. By pressing and holding the pairing button on the unit, then tapping on the Smart Config button on the app will pull the Wi-Fi network details from your phone. All you need to do now is enter the password for that Wi-Fi network. Now your iGate Wi-Fi is connected. You can now test the app and make any settings changes that you need. In the settings of the app, you can see here that you can change the relay activation time in milliseconds, the reaction time of the app button itself, which can stop accidental double taps, and you can choose from a few animated icons that best suit your needs here. In the other settings section here at the top, we can see the device's name, time zone, and location. At the top of the app, we have a 3-bar menu function. In this, we can make changes to our user profile and change the language of the app. After this, we have a very useful and important function, which is the shared devices. In this, we can choose to give access to other users for this iGate Wi-Fi device. Just enter the person's email and the level of control you want them to have. The app will send an email to that address saying you would like to share an iGate device with them, and then a link with instructions on how to register and get the app. So that's it. Very simple process of setup and programming for the iGate Wi-Fi. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.